Oh, we're at West Marine.
His favorite new store. This guy. Both of these guys have been here every day this week, I feel like. I think so. Probably.
Where did Carlito go?
He ran away.
Here we go. $49.
I feel like people think I'm a nut for filming.
We gotta have our. You feel what?
I said I feel like people look at me like I'm nuts because I'm videoing.
They do.
They're gonna look at you even funnier when they see you peeing out of a hose.
We didn't get the Lady J.
All the way back up front.
What?
Yeah.
That was video. I don't need another one. I have one.
I'm gonna put one of these on my ass.
That's not gonna fit, Rat.
Dinghy a lot.
I'm gonna be in the dinghy too. That's still too big for Rat. Me, Rat. A floating cooler.
Your own personal little boat for $89. Bring on another 1,000. Welcome to boating.
It's like I'm shooting an action video. Yep. I got the whooping.
Doing with these blankets?
I don't know.
I got the whooping stick.
Whoop his ass.
The whooping stick.
Do it again.
It was either the phone or the application, and the phone.
Start over.
Like, oh, let's put
Take
that down.
two. Take two.
I told you I should have waited till I got to the house.
I didn't tell you to do it. You just took it upon yourself.
Well, you guys were having a heart-to-heart talk, so I was like, well, fuck it, let me be productive.
Yeah, I need
Let me be productive.
Let me be a fly on the wall.
Let me fuck this up. I'll have Brooke fix it later.
So
it was better than snapping the phone in half.
So what problems did you have filling out the online application for fishing?
It was asking me questions.
In half a mile,
All
Your
kinds
name?
of questions.
Your name?
No, I got that right. Fucking address.
The address.
I tried telling it that we were from Tomball, Texas, and it said no.
No, you have to use our Florida address.
But it won't let me use that because I tried, and it says that it's a non-deliverable address. So
Flanagan's.
I broke it.
It's right next to Flanagan's.
Well, we should have just ate at Flanagan's tonight. We could stop in and have those short rib egg rolls.
We're not eating any more food today.
We can take them with us.
Yeah.
Wait, he hasn't seen the video of the whooping stick.
He's not gonna like it.
He'll love it. He'll whoop me with this stick.
Yeah.
He's gonna whoop you with a stick.
Uh-huh.
So this is for Penn fishing rods. You light up my life.
Really? Well, you might want to hold it the other way then.
I'm not catching nothing yet,
Obviously.
but when I need to.
Motherfuckers never stick.
Superman.
Alright, you need anything out of here?
No.
I got your Sea Life battery charger in here with this with the bait.
Did you get the camera?
I don't know where that's at.
Oh no, I carried it.
I definitely gotta flip it around. It's pretty heavy like this.
It's not made to go
Wait
that.
till I get to the
That,
dolphin.
like that is how it goes. It goes in the fishing rod.
So I get the dolphin.
Fishing rod over your side. Take your empty cart.
I'm videoing you.
Alright, look at that. I paid you, dude. If you shared a cigarette, I would take that. And you could carry the empty cart. I don't, well, my wife ran off with it. And since we're quitting, we're getting all our chain smoking in before we get on the water.
Uh-huh.
I think she should drag that one, so she dragged it over.
Carlos said we were gonna need 2. So I brought one.
We might have. We might have could.
Coulda. Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
Carlos, quit playing with your pole and let's go.
I'm just holding it. Lucille's gonna be the breadwinner in our fishing expedition.
Oh yeah? We named her Lucille?
Yep. She's got a bright string. That's gonna be her dress.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Look, all the fish are scared. They're gone. They done seen Lucille come in.
I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
I'm gonna finish this cigarette before we start hauling shit in there.
We just cleared all this, and now Brooke has this thing. What?
Really?
Let me see if Lucille likes her
finished
new
part
home.
2.
Yeah, yeah.
The tour.
Yeah,
Made
yeah.
it to that side was an erratic state, and that was the end of the video.
We'll get it.
Lucille likes her new home.
What?
That's a pretty good idea.
She's in her position, guarding the door for us. Rat still on her bag.